Hey everybody, how's it going? So today I'm going to show you how to install a fully functional Android virtual machine on your PC. This is Android Studio, which is a great tool for Android development, and here you can create and customize a virtual Android device. And you can treat this device as a real one. It has the same features, you have internet connection here, and you can install apps, etc. You can use a mouse to navigate your Android device, and in case if your laptop has a touchscreen, you can use that as well. So overall, it's a very good tool for testing Android apps. For example, for QA testers, or if you need to use some apps from a shady source and you don't want to install them on your phone. Or maybe just don't have an Android device. So let's get into it. First of all, you need to download Android Studio, the link in the description. Then go to your Downloads folder and run the Android Studio executable file. Click Yes, Next, 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 and click Install. Click Next and Finish. Do not import settings. Don't send data. Next. Standard. Select UI theme and click Next. Now accept Android and Intel terms and conditions and click Finish. Click on a new project, select No Activity, click Next and Finish. Now we have to wait for the updates and indexing to complete. Okay, so we're done here and now we need to create a new virtual device. Click the Device Manager icon and then click on Create Device. Now you can choose any device from these categories. Or you can also click on the new Hardware Profile button and create a new device with your own specs. You can adjust the screen size and resolution, RAM memory, and you can also add physical buttons and keyboard. You can actually do the same thing with any of these preset devices. Let's create Nexus 10. Click Next and select any of these Android versions. I'm gonna use the latest one. Click Next, and here you can configure the hardware settings of your virtual device. Click Show Advanced Settings, and here you can change the startup screen orientation, network speed, graphics and CPU performance, and the amount of memory for RAM and internal storage. Click Finish and start your virtual device. Click on this button to detach the device, and it pops up as a separate window here. And here's your fully functional Android virtual device. You can create here as many devices as you want. Tablets, phones, smartwatches, smart TVs, etc. If your computer has enough resources, then you can easily run multiple virtual devices simultaneously. And the last thing I want to show you is how to transfer files between the host PC and the virtual device. Okay, so start your virtual machine and then click on the Device File Explorer. Next, go into the Storage folder and you'll see a folder with random numbers and letters in its name. This is your device virtual SD card. If I open the SD card on this tablet, you can see that these are the same folders. For example, I want to create a new folder on my tablet and upload there some files. You can create a new folder using this File Explorer, or simply right-click on the SD card folder, New Directory, type a name, and click OK. Here it is. So I want to upload these files from my Downloads folder into this new folder. Simply right-click on the new folder, Upload, then select the files you want to upload and click OK. And they're on my tablet. And if you want to download some files from the virtual device, then select those files in the Device File Explorer, right-click, select Save To, choose a folder on your computer, and click OK. Here they are. Now, if I delete this folder, as you can see, it's still present here, so we need to sync with the virtual device. Right-click on the SD card folder and select Synchronize. And folder's gone. Easy peasy. So I hope you learned something new, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments.